guys, welcome to Clever Engineer tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to be discussing on how to get started with web development using HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language and is basically used for building web pages. Now a prerequisite to learning HTML is to have a text editor installed. Text editor is an application you use to write codes. There are a couple of text editors like Sublime, VS Code, Atom, but in this tutorial I will be using a Sublime text editor. And if you don't have Sublime text editor, you can head over to their official website, sublimetext.com/download, and download the version of Sublime based on your operating system. But you are not limited to Sublime, you can use any text editor of your choice. I've already downloaded and installed my version of Sublime, so if you haven't, you can download yours. But if you have already installed Sublime or other text editor, then that's cool. The next thing we want to do is to create a folder in which we're going to save all of our HTML file. So we can create some folder and give a random name, project. Okay, and open our text editor. The next thing we want to talk about is the extension of our HTML file. All HTML file should be saved with the extension of .html. So we are going to save our first HTML file with .html. So we locate the folder for which we want to save our file, project, and then we can name our file as index.html. We can now go to our project folder, and then this is our HTML file. You'll notice that once you save the file as .html, it will take the icon of your default browser. So this is the file. It is blank because we haven't yet written any HTML code. Now, unlike other programming languages that use scripts to perform operations, HTML uses tags to identify its contents. And what we want to do is to declare the upgraded version of HTML, which is HTML5, and to tell our browser that this is HTML5. You just declare it like type and then HTML. Okay, the next default tag is the HTML tag, and this tag contains an opening tag and a closing tag. The difference between an opening tag and a closing tag is the slash, and then you just write HTML. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Now within this HTML tag we have some default tags also, and the next is the head tag. It is within this head tag that we are going to write all non-visual tags, like if we want to link our HTML file with a CSS file or a JavaScript file. It is within the head tag that we are going to write our link tag. And also if we want to do some CSS styling, we can also perform that in this head tag. Moreover, if we want to declare the title of our HTML page, we can declare within this tag, and it is written within the title tag. So let's give our page some name, my web page. Save and then refresh. Now you notice that the title here is the name of the file, index.html. When we refresh, we now have our title to be my web page. Another important and default tag is the body tag. it is within this body tag that we are going to write all of the visual tags that will make up our web content. And the first visual tag we want to talk about is the HTML heading, and they basically have 6 levels and they are ranked in order of importance, and they range from H1 to H6. So to write a heading tag, write H1, like I said, they are ranged from H1 to H6, and then close. So in between here we can write some text like hello world, and then when we refresh, okay, we have hello world heading tag. So we also have H2, like I said, they are ranged from H1 to H6, so we can just copy and paste. Now H3, H4, H5, and H6. Okay, so we notice that the smaller the number, the bigger the text. So basically these tags are used for heading. Another visual tag is the tag for paragraph, and it is written as P. So in between here we can write some text. Save and then refresh. Okay, so this tag is the P tag, and it is basically used for writing paragraph in our web content, and these tags are the heading tag, and they are used for like writing title in our content. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate if you like this video, and kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also hit the notification bell for more amazing video. Thank you.